Hello guys, today I am going to teach you about the Moto G5S Plus special feature, that is depth minimal mode tutorial. So let's start. Click on the camera option, that is here, and now click on the three dots, that is here, and click on the depth enable mode. You can blur the background, selective focus, and capture. Now go to gallery, you can see that, and click on the three lines here, and click on the depth editor, and you can edit the selective focus. And we have to click on the layer which we want to keep in focus. So I click on my hand, and we have to measure the blur, how much we have to blur the background. And now I show you the black and white effect. Now we have to touch the layer that we want to keep in color. Now you can see that my hand is in color while the background is in black and white background. Now see the replace background, this. So click the layer which we want to keep in the focus. So you you can replace the background by this, by this, by this. So hope you like the videos, man, and please like and share and subscribe for more exciting videos. And please subscribe, man, please subscribe. So I hope you like the tutorial. So please like and comment and share and subscribe, please.